Welcome to MQLrobot EAS. In this video, we'll explore the structure of the MetaTrader, a moving average crossover strategy designed and built using FXdreema with no coding required. This EA focuses on identifying trend directions using multiple moving average filters. It's structured to detect bullish or bearish crossovers across different timeframes or configurations. At the core, we have two separate branches, one for buy signals and one for sell signals. Each branch begins with checking whether any trades are already open. If there are none, the EA evaluates three moving average conditions. The fast MA must be greater than or less than the slow MA depending on the signal. A second set of MAs confirms the trend. A third conditional filter is applied for extra validation. These layers help filter out false signals and reduce market noise. Once all conditions are met, the EA opens a position, either buy or sell, and ensures it only does so once per bar, preventing repeated entries within the same candle. After entry, the EA continues to monitor the trade using a trailing stop. This dynamic trailing feature adjusts stop-loss levels as price moves in your favor, locking in profits while minimizing drawdown. This MA Trend EA was built entirely in FXdreema using drag-and-drop logic blocks. No manual coding is required, making it beginner-friendly yet powerful. Before using this EA on a live account, we highly recommend understanding the strategy logic, assessing your personal risk tolerance, and backtesting the EA using 99.9%. Tick data for realistic performance analysis. If you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow our full playlist on Build a Forex EA Robot, no Code-FXdreema, right here on MQLrobot EAS. Thanks for watching, and let's keep automating smarter.